Next, question number 5 from the exercise 8.2. Using integrals, find area of the triangle bounded by the lines y is equals to 2x plus 1, comma y is equals to 3x plus 1 and x is equals to 4. First, we will take the given lines as equation 1, 2, 3. The lines are what? Y is equals to 2x plus 1. Take that as equation 1. Y is equals to 3x plus 1. Take it as equation 2. X is equals to 4. Take it as equation 3. 3 lines we have. Just solve 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. Here, in the place of y, okay, what we have 2x plus 1. Just there are many methods. Use which one you want. Put y is equals to 2x plus 1 in 2. Okay, here also y we have now. So what? 3x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 1. Just cancel this 1. 3x minus 2x, x is equals to 0. Put x equals 0 in 1 or 2. Okay, you will get the y value. Put x is equals to 0 in 1. That time the value of y is what? 1. Okay. Here the value of x is 0. The value of y is 1. So x comma y is equals to what? 0 comma 1. Take it as some a. Okay. This is a covering. Can you see that? A is equals to 0 comma 1. Yes. Next, solve 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here in the 3 already what we have? X is equals to 4. Substitute model. Put x equal 4 in 2. Put x is equals to 4 in 2. So what? Y is equals to 3 to 4. 12. 12 plus 1. 13. Okay. So what do you write? X comma y equals to 4 comma 13. Take this from b. B equal x comma y equal 4 comma 13. Next, solve 2 and 3. Sorry, 1 and 3. Next, solve 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Here, in the 3, what you have x equal 4. Put x equal 4 in 1. Put x equal 4 in 1. Now, what is the value of y? Y is equals to 2 into 4 plus 1, that is equals to 9. Therefore, x comma y equal what? That is a 4 comma 9. Take it as some c. C equals to 4 comma 9. We should plot these 3 points. What? B, C and A in the graph. Okay. Now, it is the x-axis. 0 comma 1. Okay, it is a y-axis. I am taking y-axis here. It is a y-axis. On x-axis, the minimum value is 0. Minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 4. Maximum value is 4. So, you can take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum value 4 and minimum value 0. On y-axis, maximum value ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇದೆ. So maximum value 13. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. In the y-axis. Point A is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means it is the okay. A 0 comma 1. Next, point B. What is the point B? That is the 4 comma 13. Already you know this. Okay. 4 comma 13 means it comes here. Okay, it is the point B, 4 comma 13. Next, where is the C, 4 comma 9? C C is the 4 comma 9. 4 9 and okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Just you don't time. Okay. It is the C 4 comma 9. Okay. Now join this. Join A and B. Join A and C. Join B and C. Okay. Now it is a triangle. It is a triangle. We have to find area of this triangle. Okay. Now the line AB, actually here the point of intersection of it is the line. Okay. The equation of this line is x equals to 4. The equation of line is x is equals to 4. Okay. It is the third equation. Next, the equation of 1 is y equal to x plus 1. This y equal to x plus 1 passes to the point what? 4 comma 9, 0 comma 1. Okay. ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y x equals to 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this 1 passes to the 0 comma 1. x equal 4 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y value 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this it is a line 1, it is a line 1. Okay. It is a line 3, it is a line 2, it is a 2. Okay, line 2. Line 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? Okay, y is equals to 3x plus 1. Line 2 means. Line 1 is what? Y is equals to 2x plus 1. Y is equals to 2x plus 1. Now take this as O. Okay, A, B, C into DL total. Okay. Now required area is equal. Area of O A B D O. Area of O A B D O minus area of O A C D O. Area of O A C D O. O A C D O. Okay. Now where is the it is x equals here. Okay. Where is the region O A B D O? Okay. One side x axis, above the x axis, and below the line, below the which line? Below the second line. Okay. Below the second line, and in between two vertical lines, x equals 0 and x equals 4. So what it is equal integral from 0 to 4, 3x plus 1 dx. 3x plus 1 dx minus. Now see that O A C D O. Where is the region? Above the x axis, below the curve. Below the curve is what? Below the y is equals to 2x plus 1. So in between two vertical lines, x equals 0 and x equals 4. So integral from 0 to 4, 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. The integral of 3x is 3x square by 2 plus the integral of 1 is x with the limits 0, 4 minus the integral of 2x is 2x square by 2 means x square plus the integral of 1 is x with the limits 0 and 4. First substitute upper limits what? 3 into 4 square by 2 plus 4. Lower limit ಅಂದರೆ 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus upper limit 4 square plus 4. Lower limit 0 0 don't take. Now by cancelling this 4 square means 16. Okay, by cancelling this one 8 will be 24. 24 plus 4 28 minus 16 minus 4. The answer is 8 square units. 8 square units. Next, the sixth question is find the smaller region enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal 4 and line x plus y is equals to 2. This is a circle, it is a line. We have to draw these two. First we draw the circle. The given circle is x square plus y square is equals to 4. This will be written like this. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to 2 square. What is the center of the circle? Center is equal 0 comma 0 and radius is equals to 2. By comparing with the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal r square. H comma k 0 comma 0 is center. Okay. Now we have to draw that. It is a x axis. It is a y axis. First to draw the circle, first we should take the center. It is a 0 comma 0. Okay, 1 unit, 2 units. The circle will be like this. It is a circle. Okay. Now it is a 2 units. Okay, it is a 2 units. It is a 0 comma 0 point. Next, the line is the given line is x plus y is equals to 2. How to draw this line is there are many methods. Okay. First, put x equals 0 with the value of y. I am doing one method. Okay. Put x equals 0. Put x is equals to 0. You will get the value of y. What is it? 2. Okay. Take this point as a. A is equals to x comma y is equals to 0 comma 2. It comes here. A 0 comma 2. Next, put y equals 0. Put y is equals to 0. Then what is the value of x? 2. Take this point as b. B equal first x value 2, next value 0. Okay, that is x comma equal 2 comma 0. Here is a point b. Point B 2 comma 0. Okay. Now join these two. Join these two. It is a line. Okay. It is the given circle. It is the given line. It is a smaller region bounded by these two. This should be found. Okay. It is a smaller region. It is a smaller region. This should be found. Okay. Now take it as some C, it has some D. See, required area is equal. Required area is equal area of A, D, B, C, A. Required area is equal area of A, D, B, C, A. Now this is equals to area of A, O, B, C, A, O, B, C, A minus. Okay. This region is equals to this complete region minus this triangle region. Okay. Now area of what? O, A, D, B, O, A, D, B, O. Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Now this is equals to, see, where is the region? O, A, C, B, O. Under the curve above the x-axis, and just you have to take this vertical line. What is the equation of this vertical line? X is equals to 2. because this length is 2 units now. Okay. And equation of this line is x is equals to 0. Now once again, the area, what is it? ACBOA is under the curve above the x-axis in between two vertical lines x equals 0 and x equals to 2. Under the curve means what? Under the circle. From the circle, what is the y? Root over 4 minus x square. So now what we write? Integral from 0 to 2 root over 4 minus x square dx minus next area of OADBO, where it is under the line above the x-axis in between two vertical lines x equals 0 and x equals 2. Under the line, this is the line. Okay, what is the equation of the line? Y is equals to 2 minus x. Y is equals to 2 minus x. So what? Integral from 0 to 2 minus x dx. I am writing here. First one, what we have? Integral of root over 2 square minus x square is just like integral of root over a square minus x square dx. So what is the formula? X by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. A means what? 2. Okay. X by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Okay. With limits what? 0 to minus. Second one what? The integral of 2 is 2x minus integral of x is x square by 2 with limits 0 and 2. Okay. Now, first substitute the upper limits, next lower limits. I am writing directly. Okay. 2 substitute madre it 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ first. Why? Because 2 square minus 2 square 0 plus 2 square by 2 sin inverse 2 by 2 1. Okay, it is upper limit minus lower limit 0 substitute madre 0 into this something 0 plus 2 square by 2 is 2 sin inverse 0. Okay, 2 into 0 complete become what? 0 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 2 square by 2 it is a 2 lower limit 0 is 0 agutte. Okay, you know this. Now this is equals to 2 into the value of sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 4 minus 2 that is 2. Okay, now this is what? Pi minus 2 square units. It is the answer of that 6th. Next, 7th question. Find area lying between y square equal 4x and y is equals to 2x. First one is a parabola, second one is line. We have to draw the graph. Okay. The given parabola is y square is equals to 4x. 4 is the positive, so it is the type 1 parabola. It is the x-axis. It is the y-axis. Okay. It is the type 1 parabola. Next, take it as, if you want to take it as equation 1. Next, the line is y is equals to 2x. Take it as 2. First solve 192. Solve 192. Okay, there are many methods. Here in the place of y, put 2x, put y is equals to 2x in 1. Now watch, 2x whole square is equals to 4x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇರೋದೇನು, x square minus x is equals to 0. By taking x common, x minus 1, the values of x are 0 and 1. Put x equals 0 in either 1 or 2. Okay, put x is equals to 0 in 2, equation 2. It is the equation 2. What is the value of y? Y is equals to 2. Take this point as some a equals x comma y is equals to 0 comma sorry okay. Put x equals 0 in the equation 2. The value of y is 0. Okay, x comma y equals 0 comma 0. Take it as a or take it as go. Okay, next put x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1 in equation 2. In equation 2, what is the value of y? What is the value of y? 2. Okay, you take x equal 1 here, the value of y is 2. Okay, and now take this point as some a. Take a is equals to x comma y is equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, now this is the bow with coordinates 0 comma 0 and a, the coordinates of a are 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means so it is a 1. Okay, this will come 2 units means this compass will have 1 comma 2. It is a point b, it is a point a, sorry, it is a point a, it is a point a. Now join these. Okay, now this is the region bounded by these two, parabola and line. Parabola and line. Okay, this is a line. What is the equation of the line? X equals to 1, because this distance is 1 and it is x equals to 0. Now take this point as some, okay, b, it has some c, okay, it has some d. Required area is equal. Required area is equal. Actually, what we need? Area of OCADO. Area of OCADO. This is equals to area of OCADO minus OCADO minus ODABO. Area ODABO. Now see, where is the region OCABO? Above the x-axis, below the curve, below the parabola. From the parabola, what is the y? Y is equals to 2 root x. Y is equals to 2 root x. Okay, actually plus or minus it comes, but region is first quadrant, so we take that only 2 root x. Now the equals, this region is above the x-axis, below the curve, in between two vertical lines, x equals 0 and x equals 1. So integral from 0 to 1, 2 root x dx minus, where is the region O, D, A, B, O? Above the x-axis, below the line. From the line, what is the y? From the line, the y is 2x. Okay, and in between two vertical lines, x equals 0 and x equals to 1. So here from 0 to 1, 2x dx. Take 2 outside, take 2 outside, 2 into integral of x to the power 1 by 2 is what? X to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. I wrote directly minus 2 into the integral of x is x square by 2 with limits 0, 1, 0, 1. Here you need to cancel model. Before applying limits also you can cancel it. This is 4 by 3. Upper limits 1 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power of 3 by 2 minus upper limit 1 minus 4 limit 0. Now this equals to what? 4 by 3 minus 1. The answer is 1 by 3 square units. Okay now. This region, the area of this region is 1 by 3 square units. Next example problem, that is find area of the region bounded by y square is equals to x and x square is equals to y. Both are parabolas only. The first parabola is what? The parabolas are what? Y square is equals to x. Take it as 1. And x square is equals to y. Take it as 2. Y square is equals to positive 1 into x. X square is equals to positive 1 into y. So those are type 1 and type 3 parabolas. Type 1 and type 3 parabolas. Okay. It is a type 1 parabola, it is a type 3 parabola. This is the region what we are going to find. You know, find one. Okay. Now take this point as O. This point has some A, it has some B, it has some C. Take one vertical line at A. Okay. Take this point as some D. Here, what are the O and A? O and A. Okay, these are the two terms. It is the O, it is the A. These O and A are points of intersection of two parabolas. How these we will get? By solving the equation 1 and equation 2. Just to solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Okay. There are many methods. Here, y equal x square. Put here. What will you get? Put y is equals to x square in 1. In 1. Okay. What? X square whole square is equals to x. So x to the power of 4 minus x equal to 0. Take x common. X cube minus 1 equal to 0. The value of x equals 0. X cube minus 1 is equals to 0 to 1. X cube is equals to 1. The value of x equals to 1. Put x equals 0 in 1 or 2. Put x equal 1 in 1 or 2. Okay. Here see, x is just to take that 2 only. Put x equals to 0. Actually, should not take x equals to 1 here. If you take what the value of y, what will get? Plus or minus 1. But the point A is in the quadrant 1. So positive one will get. Just to take this 2. Even if you take 1 also, you get the answer. Okay. Now put x equals to 0 in. Put x equals 0 in 2. In 2. What is the value of y? 0 square equal what? 0. Therefore what? O is equals to x comma y is equals to 0 comma 0. It is 0 comma 0. Next, put x equals to 1 into what is the value of y? Y is equals to 1 square equal what? 1. X value 1, y value 1. Okay. Therefore what? Take it as a equal x comma y equal what? 1 comma 1. Okay. So the coordinates of a are what? 1 comma 1. The coordinates of O are what? 0 comma 0. Okay. Now I am writing here. Required area is equal area of O B A C O. O B A C O. This is equals to area of O B A D O minus O B A D O minus area of O C A D O. O C A D O. First of all, where is the region O B A D O? Above the x-axis, below the curve. Actually, below the first parabola. It is the first parabola. Below the first parabola. From the first parabola, what is the y? Y is equals to root x. Okay. So what we take? This is equals to integral from. Okay. Either x equals 0, either x is equals to 1. Why? Because this length is 1. Because the point is here 1 comma 1. Okay. So integral from 0 to 1 root x dx minus. Where is the region? O C A D O. Above the x-axis, below the curve, below the second parabola. From the second parabola, what is the y? What? X square. Y equal x square. So integral from 0 to 1 x square dx. Now this is equal. The integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 with limits 0, 1 minus integral of x square is x cubed by 3 with limits 0 and 1. Upper limit 1, lower limit 0, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. 0 substitute 0 0 automatic, just substitute upper limit only. 2 by 3 into 1 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. The final answer is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 square units. Okay, it is answer of that y square equal x and x square is equals to y. The region, it is answer of the region bounded by y square equal x and x square is equals to y.